It's finally here! Learning with Noko is a social and emotional learning kit for K-2 students and is colourful and captivating. It includes 10 full-colour lesson plans, 10 matching full-colour student printouts, and QR codes linked to animated Noko The Knight videos. These lessons incorporate unique mindfulness activities and exercises that are interactive and impactful. They are also culturally rich and encompass inclusive and creative content to empower kids and their families. That's 125 pages in full color. This kit will also make for fun and engaging activities on the days we're not in school. Oh, and you'll also get your very own Noko The Knight It's Cool to Be Kind classroom poster as a sweet reminder for all. So, do you know an elementary school principal, teacher, counselor, or any member of the PTA? Hurry, get yours today!